How to make a light box. Materials: sheet of paper, markers, and tape. Get permission to put tape on the window. The tape should be as long as the top of your thumb. Tape the picture to the window. Tape a blank paper on top. I put the tape in different places. Trace over the picture. I like to start at the top and then work my way down. This helps my lines to be straighter and I don't forget any of the details this way. I also used an orange marker instead of a black one so that I could easily see where I had already drawn. Carefully take off the tape. You don't want to rip your paper. Enjoy your new copy.